Yes, children, our next topic of discussion after the cell chapter is microorganisms, friends, and foes. The very important part is reading and understanding each and every concept. So, I am trying to do it so that you are well aware of the concept. Okay, now microorganisms, friends, or foes. What do you mean by the topic microorganisms, friends, or foes? Very small organisms which are not visible to us with the naked eye. They are called as microorganisms and their study is known as microbiology. These things, they are not seen by our eyes. They can only be seen through the microscope and specially designed microscope. So they include viruses, single cell organism like bacteria, yeast, protozoan, algae. So you have to learn the names of these things so that it will be easier for you. Some of the organisms are useful and some are harmful. ठीक है, बैक्टीरिया, पैरामीशियम, यूग्लिना, amoeba, spirogyra. You have to learn and write the spellings in your copy so that you are able to write it and understand it. Now the discovery of microorganisms was possible due to the invention of the microscope. Anton von Leeuwenhoek was the person to establish the existence of the bacteria with the help of modern microscope. ठीक है. Now types of microorganisms, they are bacteria, fungi, protozoan, algae. Different types of microorganisms are also there. Viruses are not included as cellular organisms. Viruses are not because they are kept at separate category, not along with these all. Why? Because they are unique. They show both the characteristic of living and non-living. Because whenever they are present on any outer structure, what to say about this virus, a very threatening virus, a very fatal virus, we all are dealing presently. All the we are dealing with the virus presently is the virus that we all are knowing. Means when it is present in the air or any surface or the metal surface or at any place, doors, it act as non-living because we cannot kill it. Okay, we are unable to kill because you know that no vaccine has still discovered which can kill this virus. That means it is neither it is living. If it is a if it was a living, then we could have used some chemical to destroy it, but it is not any living thing, so we cannot destroy it using any chemical. So no antibiotic, no vaccine still could be discovered properly so that it can affect coronavirus. Now ultimately I have spoken the word corona, which I was avoiding. The coronavirus is causing COVID-19, and this virus, as you know, that virus, if they are lying on any surface, they act as non-living things. But when they come into human beings or any animal, if it is animal, means corona is only affecting human beings. As it comes into human beings, it is showing its characteristics, and it is causing very harm to the living organisms. Likewise other viruses are also there, not only coronavirus, other poliovirus, mumps, measles, chickenpox, various viruses are there. When they come in the contact with particular plant animal, they show the characteristic of living organisms. So these many viruses are there, many other are also there. So this is about microorganisms. Now where do these microorganisms live? The microorganisms, they live in any of the places. They are found almost all the kinds of the places, such as dry, wet, marshy, दलदल, सूखी जगह, गीली जगह, कीचड़ वाली जगह, deep inside the rocks, on the ocean floor, high atmosphere, under the earth's crust. सर अंदर जो मतलब पृथ्वी के एकदम अंदर, जहाँ लोहा भी एकदम गर्म रहता है, पिघला हुआ रहता है, अर्थ क्रस्ट, ह्यूमन बॉडी, body of other plant and animal. हमारे mouth, throat, nose, alimentary canal are inhabited by large number of microorganisms. They are found everywhere. Okay, they are found at everywhere. Now, role of microorganisms in our life. They help in decomposition. जो भी चीज़ सड़ते गलते हैं, you are already knowing in class 7 you have read decomposer, so they as decomposing process, maintaining biogeochemical cycle like carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, उसको वापस लाने का काम उनका है. मतलब कोई भी चीज़ हमारे एनवायरनमेंट में जब यूज्ड अप हो जाता है तब उसको वापस लाना, तो ये डिकम्पोजर्स का काम है. वापस मिट्टी में मिला देना या एयर में वापस भेज देना उस केमिकल को. So this is biogeochemical cycle. They are useful and beneficial for mankind. However, some of them are harmful as they spoil our food and cause diseases. They are harmful as they spoil our food and cause diseases. Now, microbial population in human body. They are our body is a house of large number of microorganisms, but they are kept in balance and usually harmless. They are important for our body and they form an essential system, such as in our large intestine. E. coli bacteria is present. Okay, so see the picture. In our intestine, E. coli bacteria is there, which help in the proper water absorption. और वाटर के एब्जॉर्प्शन में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करता है, वाटर को रिटेन करता है बॉडी में. ई कोलाई बैक्टीरिया. It helps in digestion of the food also. So E. coli bacteria is very important. So इस तरह से they are. Next is microorganisms as our friends. Next we will read in the next video.